Hi there, it's Sandra from Travel Marketing and Media with a very special announcement. My organization has partnered with ASTA to bring you a series of member-only interactive tactical workshops. The very first one will be on Friday, April 17 at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. We will be talking all about what to post on your social media, what to email out to your audience, and how to position your brand during the pandemic. It's super important right now that you're sending the right message out to the world because it could be the make or break of your business. Those who are doing very smart marketing at this time for their travel business will not only survive after the pandemic, they will thrive. Now, if you're not yet a member of ASTA, I strongly recommend that you become one. There are so many benefits to joining ASTA. And right now, there's a $50 off promotion available to you. So head over to the website and join before the end of the month to take advantage of that. Now, for this first session that we're doing on Friday, April 17 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there's going to be a very special gift for those of you who attend. And that gift is from both ASTA and myself, and it is an entire month of social media content to post for your travel business. It's an image, caption, set of hashtags to post every single day of the month. It's also some pandemic intros that you can paste down in front of that content or your content to make it a little more empathetic. And of course, it will also include a step-by-step tutorial on how you can schedule an entire month of social media posts in less than 40 minutes. So once again, our first interactive tactical workshop for members only will be on Friday, April 17 at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're not yet a member of ASTA, go join right now and use their $50 off promotion. You can find out more information at their website. That's all for me now, and I will see you on Friday the 17th. Bye for now.